Okay, let's give this a try. So, based upon the answer keys that you were given from the other day, if you take a look at the green graph up here, this graph right here, you can see, and even in the explanations down here, okay, you need to break it down interval by interval. As I've been saying all along, break them down, make them simple. This is our first interval starting here at time 0. It ends here at time 4 seconds. If I look, my speed is 3 meters per second. So right here is 3 meters per second. And that goes on for 4 seconds. If you do the math in your head, if you go 3 meters per second for 4 seconds, you've gotten a total of 12 meters. Conveniently, that is the same as the area of this box. Hence the scavenger hunt questions several times yesterday. And this big, bold, blue, written out explanation that the area of the box would be your distance traveled. Seeing as that is above 0, that means that this is a positive 12. In the second interval, I can do that box again, break it down interval by interval. This line right here that I'm drawing on was at 2 meters per second from 4 seconds till 8 seconds. So that interval, if I'm just looking at that, goes from 4 to 8 seconds. That is a total of 4 seconds. Its speed, if I'm just looking at that, is 2 meters per second backwards. So 2 meters per second backwards for 4 seconds will give me a distance of 8. Also the area of that box. So it will go 8 meters backwards in that period of time. Those are the simple ones where they're nice, easy boxes. However, if you paid attention to the answer key as well as the explanations that were on there, they get a little more difficult when you have to calculate things that are angled. However, you can do it because the area underneath the curve, all of this right here, is half of the area of this rectangle right here. So that red shaded area is half of the red rectangle. I hope you can see that. Therefore, if you can once again figure out the height of the box right here, which is 4, and the width of this box right here, which was tough to figure out because you needed to do the slope of that line. In any case, this one is 1.3 repeating wide. So you do 4 times 1 1/3, and you would get your area to be 5 1/3. And then you would have to divide 5 1/3 in half, because once again you're only finding the area of this triangle, and that would give you your distance traveled in this velocity line right here. Okay, from here to here, or vice versa, here to here. I hope that helps, and pay attention to the answer keys in the future as well as all of these explanations. I know that they're hard to process because there's so many words, but I'm trying to put it all out there in those words so you have them to look for them. If you guys really stay on top of these things, and I'm not trying to put up too much work right now, it shouldn't be that hard. I'm also trying to make those scavenger hunts so you'll go and learn these key points. I hope everybody's doing well, and I will talk to you guys soon.